Holy cow! Look at that big fish! I got him on! I got him on! The Uncompahgre River tailwater flows through Ridgway State Park in Colorado and offers some very productive trout water. I traveled to this well-known stream from the southeast via Wolf Pass and passed some really scenic mountain ridges along the way. There's a $10 fee to park and fish here. Extensive improvements to trout habitat have been made on the Uncompahgre River, mostly in the form of strategically placed boulders. There are only 2 miles of public water, but if you consider the river has 2 banks, that gives you 4 miles of shoreline to fish from. With the bridge and access point in the center of this 2 miles, you're never more than a mile from the parking lot. There are 3 main challenges on this river. First, you have to try and find a spot where the current is slow enough for the fish to hold. Second, you have to try to find a spot where no one else is currently fishing. And third, you need to find a fly that'll fool the fish, because the trout in these waters have received an advanced education from the relentless fishing pressure. I tend to struggle when fishing heavily pressured waters, and even though I saw one angler catching a fish, I didn't have much confidence I would catch any. Ooh, I got one! Ooh, it's a big one! Holy cow! I actually got a fish. Look at that! Look at that! It's a big one! It's a real big one! I am just amazed. I caught a fish. Now I got him. Well, I didn't catch it yet. I gotta go net it now. Gotta keep it in the slow current, or I'll never get it in. Whoa! I caught a fish. Wow. I actually caught it. I wasn't expecting to catch anything, but I caught a fish. Wow. I better let him go. Ooh, I got one. I got another one. Holy, ooh! Did you see that? Did you see that fish jump? There's another rainbow about the same size. Wow. There are actually fish here and you can actually catch them. It appeared that I was actually having some success. I decided to head up to the upper section and try to find a spot over there. I found one very small eddy close to the shoreline, too small to draw attention from the crowds. I spotted a large trout deep in the pool here and spent 5 minutes drifting my nymph past it. I wasn't expecting any success, but finally I saw it open its mouth and I set the hook. Holy cow! Look at that big fish! I got him on! I got him on! Oh! Look at him! Where's my net? Ooh! I got him!
Look at that fish. There he is. What a nice fish. He's pretty big. He's really big, I would say. That's one nice fish.
So, for the price of $10, I'd say I got my money's worth.